Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how an Equifax security freeze works. A security freeze, sometimes called a credit freeze, is a free tool that restricts access to your Equifax credit report, making it much harder for identity thieves to open new accounts in your name. When a freeze is active, most lenders, credit card companies, and service providers cannot view your credit file, which generally prevents them from approving new credit applications. Placing a security freeze does not affect your current credit score, nor does it prevent you from using your existing credit cards or loans. It also will not stop you from checking your own credit report, or stop existing creditors and debt collectors from viewing your file. To set up a security freeze, you can contact Equifax online, by phone, or by mail. You will need to provide personal verification details, including your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Once your request is processed, Equifax will place the freeze on your file and provide you with a unique personal identification number or password. It is vital to keep this PIN or password secure, as you will need it whenever you want to lift or remove the freeze. By federal law, credit bureaus must place a security freeze within 1 business day if your request is made online or by phone, or within 3 business days if requested by mail. If you need to apply for a loan, a mortgage, or a new job that requires a credit check, you can temporarily lift or permanently remove the freeze. A temporary lift, often called a thaw, can be set for a specific period of time or for a specific creditor. Online or phone requests to lift a freeze must typically be processed within 1 hour. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.